I'm Anthony Weaver, a lead risk assessor with the Lead Paint Detectives. Is your home built before 1978? Then you need to clean lead safe. Although lead paint is still manufactured and utilized in commercial and industrial usage, lead paint was banned for residential use, schools, and daycares in 1978. Properties built before 1978 have a high likelihood that lead paint was used. The older the home is, the more likely lead paint is present. A change from just cleaning to lead-safe cleaning can make a huge difference as to whether a child gets lead poisoning or not. Invisible lead dust is created from two lead-painted friction surfaces rubbing together. That's why it's difficult to deal with invisible lead dust, because it's like microscopic, little tiny spiky balls that stick to everything. Knowing this, you can update your cleaning methods to lead-safe techniques and protect your children, your family, and anyone you invite into your home. Let's get started as we go over the supplies you will need, starting with a plastic garbage bag, plenty of disposable gloves, a mild cleaner like Dawn and Water, other mild soapy cleaner like 409 or Spick and Span. Do not use bleach or disinfectants. Lab tests have shown they don't pick up lead dust. String mop head and handle, flat mop head and handle, disposable wet mop heads, 3 buckets, high efficiency particulate air filtered vacuum, a HEPA filtered vacuum, Lumetallix instant lead detection kit available at lumetallix.us, and an electrostatically charged dry mop pad for lead safe testing. There's one rule when it comes to microfiber cloths and mop heads. Never use them. Never use microfiber cleaning cloths or mop heads to clean up invisible lead dust. They are usually made of plastic. They are not porous enough for lead dust to stick to them. They only spread lead dust around and do not pick it up. Microfiber mop heads and cleaning cloths have failed many dust wipe sampling tests. Many homes have multiple kinds of floors installed, so you might want to keep all of these supplies handy. Gone are the days where you dry sweep and use a dustpan. Use a HEPA filter vacuum. HEPA stands for High Efficiency Particulate Air. It's a filter on the vacuum that traps harmful particles as small as 0.3 microns. It's very important to use a HEPA vacuum to clean up lead dust, as the HEPA filter traps that lead dust. Standard vacuums just don't do that. Now, you don't have to use name brand products just because it's lead dust. Most of my cleaning supplies I simply bought at the dollar store for less than $20 in the beginning of 2025. Living in a house built before 1978, you always want to clean wet. Never clean or dust anything dry. When picking up invisible lead dust, make sure your cleaning mop heads are always moist. Mop heads don't need to be soaking or dripping wet, but they do need to be moist so they pick up the lead dust. Reusable mop heads will only hold lead dust, and there's really no proper way to clean them safely and thoroughly. This mop head even has a scrubber on it, which, when you're dealing with lead dust, you do not want to be scrubbing back and forth. If you're scrubbing back and forth on the floor, it's very possible you could embed lead dust right into your floor, causing more issues. Invisible lead dust is so nasty, everything you use must be disposable. Lumetallix is an instant lead dust test. You can use the spray bottle or the drip tip bottle, shine the UV light on it, and if it glows green, you found lead dust. What's great about Lumetallix is that you get the results instantly. Invisible lead dust has no place to hide anywhere. Finding invisible lead dust before and after cleaning is easy with Lumetallix. Before you clean, wipe down the area you want to test with an electrostatically charged dry mop pad. And after you're done, wipe the area you just cleaned to see if you've done a proper lead-safe cleaning job. Spray the Lumetallix reagent spray in low light, use the UV light, and check to see if there's invisible lead dust. And if it glows green, you know you found lead dust. Never use a dry mop pad for lead-safe cleaning. Dry mop pads are only used for lead-safe testing. Get your Lumetallix Instant Lead Detection Kit at lumetallix.us. That's lumetallix.us. You can also find Lumetallix at amazon.com. Now that we have our cleaning supplies, let's get started cleaning lead-safe. Visit the leadpaintdetectives.com for more lead-safe videos and lead-safe resources. Contact the Lead Paint Detectives through our website, phone, or email.